Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm so excited to unbox this package with you guys. This package was kindly sent from Stationery Pal. If you have not heard of Stationery Pal, well, it is a stationery brand that sells a variety of stationeries. Pencils, highlighters, pens, sticky notes, you name it. The bonus here is that it sells items from popular brands and at a very good price. First time trying out the stationery brand, and I want to say I am amazed with the first impression. It is very presentable and cute. There are little gifts here and there. Can't wait to see what's inside. Off the bat, we have a lovely keychain, and this bag is a must for students. It is very spacious and has some compartments. Some things I'm excited to try out are the Stabilo Boss highlighters and the Midliner highlighters. Seeing these two brands everywhere like in Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, it just made me want to try them out, and I want to know if they are worth the hype or not so worth it. Again, Stationery Pal is an all-in-one place where you'll be able to find a variety of brands for stationeries. Heads up, if you love stationeries and you have a passion for them, I'm happy to mention that Stationery Pal is having a February sale, giving out special deals for the new lunar year. If you are interested in hearing more about it, stick around till the end. I was not expecting to receive this bag, but this bag is a mystery bag. It has more stationaries that I still haven't seen or known that I'll get. So they were selected for me to try, and I really appreciate it. A very helpful clipbook to know what is inside the bag. There was also a lovely letter inside. I don't know, but it is very trusting when a brand actually shows that they care about their customers. And I can see that in Stationery Pal, it truly shows that. It is a one-of-a-kind brand for sure. Okay, let's start with sticky notes. This chocolate bread sticky note has a very good quality paper just like the other sticky notes and very unique designs. I will link everything in the description box if you would like to buy any of these items. Then, highlighters and pens. Very aesthetic and good quality mechanical pencils. I was shocked to see that there was a fine side for the Midliner highlighters, but I didn't get to notice that until after I filmed the video. But not to worry, I am going to review all these items in a separate video. Sadly, the package for this item was damaged. These highlighters have been recently added to the store. They got my attention, so I had to try them out. So if you guys are interested in leaving my own personal reviews, please comment down below and subscribe. I wanted to try these clear scented erasers. The orange eraser was the one that had the most scent. I also got these two bald man erasers. So, Stationery Pal is having a February sale. You can use these two discounts for a 30% off and a 15% off discount. So whenever you use these codes before you check out, you can get a 15 and a 30% off. Also, they are currently shipping orders for free if you use this code. Last but not least, there is an exclusive offer for all of you who are supporting me, which is a 15% discount when you use the code Tasnim, all capitalized. For more information, check out the description box. This was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Stationery Pal. Shout out to them for this lovely collaboration. Their website and everything will be in the description box if you guys are interested. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Like, share, as well comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you.